Welcome to Liver MD. If you're struggling with fatty liver disease, you're probably wondering which foods to eat and which to avoid. And today, we're tackling a surprising hero that often gets a bad rap: fruits, especially watermelon. Yes, watermelon, the sweet, juicy summer favorite, is often maligned for its sugar content. But is it really as harmful as some people think? Let's explore the facts, break down the myths, and reveal the real relationship between watermelons and your liver health. Stick around, because what we're about to share might just change the way you look at this fruit. Before we begin, your likes help us keep motivated to provide more helpful content, so please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Watermelons are a treasure trove of nutrients that could actually support liver health in surprising ways. First, they're rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which are powerful warriors against inflammation and oxidative stress, two major culprits in liver damage. Think of these antioxidants as the liver's personal bodyguards. They also contain citrulline, an amino acid that may boost blood flow and protect your liver from further damage. Picture it as a river that washes away the toxins, keeping the liver fresh and functional. And don't forget the fiber. 1 cup of watermelon contains about 1 gram of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. Maintaining steady blood sugar is crucial for liver health. However, before you stock up on watermelons, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Watermelons contain natural sugars, and consuming too much sugar can worsen insulin resistance and liver inflammation, worsening the fatty liver disease. For those with advanced stages of the disease, watermelon's high sugar content might not be ideal. Here's where the glycemic load comes into play. Despite having a high glycemic index, GI, watermelons have a relatively low glycemic load, GL, due to their high water content. In simple terms, this means they are less likely to spike blood sugar levels when eaten in moderation. So, the key takeaway? It's not just the sugar, it's how much, and how often, you consume it. So, what's the sweet spot for watermelon consumption? For those on a fatty liver diet, moderation is key. Aim for a serving size of 1 cup diced, about 45 calories. Remember, this recommendation applies to whole fruit only. Juices are a no-go if you have fatty liver, and keep in mind, this counts towards your total daily fruit intake of no more than 2 to 4 cups. That's your boundary, stick to it, and your liver will thank you. So, what's the verdict on watermelons? The answer is a resounding yes, you can eat, but it must be in moderation. The health benefits of watermelon can outweigh its drawbacks, as long as you're mindful of portion sizes and maintain a balanced diet. So, go ahead and enjoy your watermelon, but don't overdo it. Thanks for watching. Your likes keep us motivated, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.